Mulching is a valuable technique in gardening, and one eco-friendly option is paper mulching. Using layers of newspaper or cardboard as mulch offers numerous benefits, such as weed suppression, moisture retention, soil improvement, and the prevention of soil erosion. I have already recorded a video with the benefits of mulching, including paper mulching. I recommend you to watch that video after you finish watching this one. And in this video, we will be discussing how to apply paper mulch. First is to prepare the area. You need to clear the planting bed or another area where you're going to mulch with the cardboard or newspaper from weeds, rocks, and debris. Ensure that soil is moist before applying paper mulch. To apply the paper mulch, lay down several sheets of newspaper or cardboard, overlapping them to create a thick, weed-blocking barrier. Aim for a layer of thickness of about 5-10 sheets of newspaper in order to enough to suppress weed growth. If you are using paper boards, you can use only one layer, but make sure that they are overlapping for at least 10, 15, or even better 20 centimeters, which is about 5 to 7 inches. To prevent the paper mulch from blowing away, cover it with a layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or straw or even grass cuttings. This also enhances its appearance and provides additional benefits like moisture retention. After placing the paper mulch, thoroughly wet it with water to keep it in place and promote decomposition. And here are the 4 tips for successful paper mulching. Tip number 1. Use black and white newspaper or cardboards. Avoid using colored or glossy papers that may contain inks or chemicals harmful to plants. Second tip for the weed control. For extra weed control, consider adding a layer of compost or organic mulch before applying the paper mulch. Third tip, moisture management. Water the paper mulch thoroughly after application to prevent it from drying out and becoming a potential fire hazard, especially in hot, dry conditions. And the fourth tip, monitor decomposition. Over time, the paper mulch will break down. Monitor the area and replenish it with additional layers of paper or organic mulch as needed. And extra bonus fifth tips, how to remove scotch or tape paper from the cardboards. What you need to do for this is first water it to make it wet, and then it's removing much easier. Even now on this video, after a few seconds of being wet, it's already been removed much easier. If you keep it wet for an hour or so, it would be even easier to remove. In conclusion, paper mulching offers a sustainable and effective approach to enhancing your garden. With its weed suppression, moisture retention, soil improvement, and temperature regulation benefits, it can transform your gardening experience while minimizing the use of traditional mulch materials, especially if before you were using the black plastic mulches.